Hi, my name's Lynne and I was involved with the Living It Up pop-up shop which ran in the Stornoway Town Centre over the summer. Starting in June and ran through till September, so we got the best of the weather and we had the opportunity to meet a lot of locals in the community. The pop-up shop provided an opportunity for us to operate on the high street and have a presence that anybody could come and visit, anybody could come and pop in and say hello and find out what we were doing. It gave us the opportunity to run workshops and to run information sessions about things that we felt the community would be interested in. On a one-to-one basis, there was some just wonderful characters to meet in the community. There were people who I was able to communicate with that perhaps I wouldn't have had the opportunity outside of the Living It Up environment. For example, Duncan McMillan, and speaking with him through an on-screen sign language translation service was very exciting and was an opportunity to have a conversation at a depth and at a level we wouldn't have otherwise been able to have. I think the Living It Up projects focus on well-being and what keeps people well is very exciting and potentially very transformational. I think it helps people to explore what is good for them from a slightly different perspective. It's less about we should exercise more, we should eat more healthy, whereas focusing on their well-being, the things they enjoy, the family, connections, friends, those sorts of things. I think that's really exciting, and I think that opens the doors to a lot of a new way of approaching people's health. I think there are some challenges about how we approach learning with the particular age group that Living It Up is looking at, but they're not insurmountable, and it does change lives, and it's worth working through at their own pace and at their own requirements. So let them define the need, what it is that they're wanting to do, and because the desire is there, they have the openness to learn and they have the openness to absorb that information. The physical shop was a really lovely environment to be in. It was the design and the way that it was set up. It was bright, it was airy, there was a lovely big shop front window, it was in a lovely location within the town centre. All of those things contributed, and it really made it a pleasurable environment. I think that was shared with the people who came and visited us as well, because that sort of thing is quite infectious, and it was good fun.